welcome to this English online session. Now we are going to see Unit 4 Grammar, Conjunctions. Conjunction, that means what? Conjunction means connective word. So it is used to join two words or two sentences. You know already. For example, two words means what? I and you. Ramesh and Nikita. So like that, two words we can, two names or two words we can join by using these words. What are the words we have to use to join two words or two sentences? And, but, or, like that as, since, even though, although, unless, if, so many words. So how we have to identify that words? Because there are some two words or two sentences we are going to join means we should know what are the types of conjunctions. So according to the meaning of that sentences we have to join by using the following words already I have mentioned, and, but, or, unless, even though, although, when, as soon as, like that. Now we are going to see in detail. So what is conjunction? That is means conjunctions are also known as connectors or linkers or link words. So give definition for conjunction. Conjunctions are also known as connectors or linkers or link words. Connect, join. Link means join. So that words are used to join two words or two groups of words or two sentences. That are connectors or conjunctions. Now we have to see types of conjunctions. How many types of conjunctions? There are three types of conjunctions. First one, coordinating conjunction. First one is coordinating conjunction. Second one, subordinating conjunction. Second one, subordinating conjunction. Third one, correlative conjunction. Correlative conjunction. So what are the three types of conjunctions? First, coordinating conjunction. Second, subordinating conjunction. Third one, correlative conjunction. Now first we have to see coordinating conjunction. What are coordinating conjunctions? That link two group of words that independently make sense. Sense means meaning. So we have to join two group of words that independently make sense means the two sentences that used to join these two sentences using some linking words. If we take that linking words, the two sentences give independent meaning, separate meaning. So that is coordinating conjunctions. That is for keywords. What are the keywords? That is we can easily identify the coordinating conjunction. That means and, or, for, otherwise, so, but, yet, still, as well as, etc. So on seeing these words we can identify that the given sentences are joined by coordinating conjunction. See this example. First one, I rang up, but he didn't speak to me. Here what is the linking word here? Connective word here, but. Very good, but. Here two sentences. I rang up, one sentence. He didn't speak to me, another sentence. Both sentences are joined by connective word but. So this one separate meaning. I rang up, separate meaning. He didn't speak to me, separate meaning. So both sentences we have to join using the word but. I rang up, but he didn't speak to me. That's oppositely their sentences meaning having. So here this is connective word here but. This connective word is known as coordinating conjunction. So coordinating conjunction always comes at this center only. It joins two sentences. The two sentences separate meaning. So they are joined by coordinating conjunctions. See second sentence, slow and steady wins the race. Here before that what is the definition for coordinating conjunction? Link two group of words. Two group of words. So here slow and steady wins the race. It is proverb. Here what is the conjunction word? And. This is the conjunction word. Slow and steady wins the race. So here two separate meaning. and conjunction word. See next one. Finish your work or you will not be sent home. Here see this one. Finish your work. One sentence, that is order. Finish your work. That is an imperative sentence. Next one, you will not be sent home. That is another sentence. Both sentences are joined by conjunction word here one are. So here what are the connective words here in these three sentences? But and or. So these words are what conjunctions? Coordinating conjunctions. You understand? Shall we move on to next type? Subordinating conjunctions. So here, what is the definition for subordinating conjunctions? They help us introduce subordinate class. Classes two types: main class, subordinate class. What is class? CLU. That is spelling CLAUSE, not the CLASS class. No. This one CLAUSE class means group of words having finite verb. The group of words having finite verb means we can identify tense form. So here see this. Unless you work hard. Example, unless you work hard, you cannot secure good marks. Here see the sentence. Here what is the connective word? Unless. Unless that is the connective word. So remove this word. Without this word, you work hard. That is one sentence. You work hard. You subject, work, verb, hard. That is subjective word. You work hard. One sentence. Another sentence. You cannot secure good marks. That is another sentence. Both sentences are joined by connective word unless. This is subordinating conjunction. Before that, previously we saw that two sentences are joined by connective word and but or like that. But here that comes at first. That comes at first or center that will come. So we have to sense that meaning here. Unless you work hard, that is meaning not completed. Unless you work hard, that is incomplete meaning. That incomplete meaning, that is subordinate class. This one fully subordinate class. This thing is subordinate class. Take another sentence. You cannot secure good marks. This sentence conveys complete meaning. You cannot score. Take this sentence alone. You cannot secure good marks. That is complete meaning. That one is main class. MC, main class. So here, subordinate class that conveys incomplete meaning. Main class conveys complete meaning. When this sentence subordinate class, when it joins with main class, then only its meaning will be completed. Otherwise, if we take this word unless means that meaning completed. You work hard. Completed meaning. Then you cannot secure good marks. Another completed meaning that sentence. Both the sentences here joined by the conjunction word, subordinating conjunction unless. Unless you work hard, you cannot secure good marks. So incomplete meaning is otherwise known as subordinate class. Subordinate class or dependent class. Depend because it depends on main class to complete its meaning. Main class is otherwise known as independent class. Independent means what? Free. So that conveys complete separate meaning. So you cannot secure good marks. This is main class. Main class is otherwise known as independent class. Subordinate class is otherwise known as dependent class because subordinate class depends on main class to complete its meaning. You understand? See next example. As John is very weak, he is not able to walk fast. Here also, take this sentence alone. As John is very weak. As John is very weak, incomplete meaning. See second sentence, he is not able to walk fast. Take this sentence alone. He is not able to walk fast, a completed meaning. If we take this sentence as John is very weak, he is not able to walk fast. When this sentence joins with this sentence complete meaning. He is not able to walk fast, another complete meaning. But both sentences are joined by a connecting word. There is a conjunction word, subordinating conjunction word. As means, as John is very weak, he is not able to walk fast. So the sentence is, as John is very weak, that is subordinate class. He is not able to walk fast, main class. So what is the other name for main class? Independent class. What's the other name for subordinate class? Dependent class. Because it depends on main class to complete its meaning. You understand all of you? Third one we have to say correlative conjunction. Correlative. So getting itself meaning having. Relative, correlative conjunctions. Relate means what? Relate means there is a comparison. Here two words are two members, anyone. For comparison means any two things or any two persons needed. So here also in correlative conjunctions two words needed to compare, to relate. Here these conjunctions are always used in pairs. Pair means two. So these conjunctions that are always used in pairs, two words only. Because in previous we see subordinating conjunction, coordinating conjunction, for that only one word. For example, coordinating conjunction and, but, or, that means simply, so that is one word will come. Then subordinating conjunction also, when, as soon as, although, even though, only one word. But here, correlating conjunctions, two words will come. So we have to see that two connectors in each sentence that are related to each other. Two words that are related to each other. That comes in sentence. Now see that example. Shiva is both a singer and a dancer. Take this sentence. What are the connective words we can use here? Pair means two. So we have to find out what are the two words used to relate two things. Here singer, dancer. Two things is here related. For what words used here? Both and. So this both and these two words are correlating conjunctions. You understand? So here Shiva is both a singer and a dancer. So correlative we can easily identify two words will come that are used in pairs. Two words. See this sentence. Neither Jan nor Ram has attended the function. Here what are the two words? Can you identify? Yes. First neither. Next one nor. Neither Jan. Neither means negative word. Not. Neither Jan nor Ram has attended the function means nobody attended the function. For example, I drink neither coffee nor tea. That means I drink, that is both not. That means neither nor means not meaning. For example, either or. Another word. I drink either coffee or tea. That means either or. This one or that one. Neither nor means nothing. Not. So neither Jan nor Ram has attended the function. So here what is the conjunction word here? Correlative conjunction. What are the two words? Neither nor. So always that comes as pair in sentence. No sooner did the teacher enter the class than the boys stood up. Here what are the words? Can you identify? See that? Yes. No sooner than. Than. Than is used for comparing two things. For example, Ooty is cooler than Kodaikanal. Ooty, Kodaikanal. Than. That means here that word is used for comparing two. Any two things, two persons or any two. So here no sooner did the teacher enter the class. If this word comes means no sooner, we never write this word as entered. We have to split the verb. Here did plus enter. That means past tense entered. That is we can write no sooner the teacher entered the class than the boy stood up. That correct, but no sooner that comes at first means we have to split the word. Entered, that means past tense. We have to divide did plus enter. Enters, that means does plus enter. So we have to split the word and write down. If do form comes means do form means do, does, did. You understand? Do, does the present tense, did past tense. For example, give. How we have to spell that word give? Do plus give. Gives. does plus you. Gave, past tense gave, did plus you. So like that we have to split the word and write down when no sooner comes at first. That means, so no sooner did the teacher entered the class than the boy stood up. When the teacher entered the class, the boy stood up. So this one, that meaning only, same meaning. You understand all of you? Yes, students. So here correlative conjunctions, that means two words that come already I told you. Now say this key words. By seeing, let's not say this key word, they can easily identify correlative conjunction is present in that sentence. What are the pairs of words? Always this word is paired with this word only. Neither nor, either or, not only but also, scarcely when, both and, no sooner than, such that, etc. So always this word is paired with this word only. So this is correlative conjunction. You understand? So that is up to now we have seen what is conjunction. What is conjunction? Conjunction is a word used to join two words or two group of words or two sentences. Then we have seen types of conjunctions. There are three types of conjunctions. What are they? Tell me along with me. First one, coordinating conjunction. Second one, subordinating conjunction. Third one, correlative conjunction. First one, coordinating conjunction. That is easily, we can easily, two sentences are joined by, two words or two sentences joined by conjunction word and, but, or, so, like that. That sentence is coordinating conjunction. That words are. Then subordinating conjunction, that means here also that is used to introduce. Here we introducing subordinate class. Here two sentences, main class, then subordinate class. Subordinate class is joined with main class by using subordinating conjunction. If, unless, although, though, even though, when, after, before, like that. Then correlative conjunctions means here two words that will come. Always that is used in pairs. That is used to relate to each other. So like that, neither nor, either or, not only but also, scarcely when, both and, no sooner than, such that. So these are correlative conjunctions. Do you understand? Dear students, let's revise. Coordinating conjunctions. What are coordinating conjunctions? Coordinating conjunctions link two groups of words that independently make sense. Example, and, or, for, otherwise, so, but, yet, still, as well as, etc. Next one, subordinating conjunctions. Subordinating conjunctions help us to introduce subordinate classes. They are also used to join subordinate or dependent classes to main classes. What are the keywords? When, although, since, until, till, after, as, before, if, unless, whereas, while, in case, as long as soon as much as, therefore, so that, because, as if, however, etc. See next one, correlative conjunctions. These conjunctions are always used in pairs. The two connectors in each sentences that are related to each other are known as correlative conjunctions. Keywords neither nor, either or, not only but also, scarcely when, both and, no sooner than, such that, etc. Dear students, let's take 103 in your book, English book. They are given conjunctions and their functions. First one, conjunctions examples are given, some words given, not only but also, as well as, moreover, furthermore, besides, in addition to. They are what, how they function. To add information. So, to add information we have to use the above conjunction words. Next, to indicate cause or reason. To indicate reason we have to use the following words. Since, as, for, because, since then, before that, after that. Next one, to express contrast, that is opposite meaning. For that we have to use but, yet, still, nevertheless, on the other hand, though, although, even though, however, on the contrary. These words are used to express contrast. Next one, to show result or purpose. For that we have to use therefore, consequently, then, so that, hence, thus, these words. Next one, to indicate time, we have to use when, while, after, before, till, until, as soon as long as, these words. Next one, to add condition. For that we have to use if for positive condition, unless for negative, whether, in case, provided that. These words are used to add condition. Next one, to express or choice. For that either or, neither nor, otherwise, or else, or. Then to denote comparison. For that likewise, similarly, these words are used to denote comparison. Last one, to denote place, we have to use where, wherever. Do you understand? Dear students, let's see exercise in your book, page number 104. See A. Call me dash you need money. Options are given. Call me in case of you need money. See second one. I forgot dash I had to meet the principal. I forgot that I had to meet the principal. See third sentence. Dash he is 90 years old. He is in the pink of health. For that what words will be there? Though he is 90 years old, he is in the pink of health. That means he is a healthy person. See next sentence. It is raining. Take an umbrella. Dash you will get drenched. That means it is raining. Take an umbrella or else you will get drenched. Next one. They faced many hardships. Dash they are always cheerful. That words given although, nevertheless, otherwise. So here they faced many hardships. Nevertheless, they are always cheerful. Next one. Fill in the blanks with the connector that goes with the underlined words. Both the minister dash the officers visited the affected areas. Both means and. So both the minister and the officers visited the affected areas. Second one, Jaya teaches not only English but also science. Here pairing word not only but also. Next one, either Raghu or Bala will have to buy vegetables from the market. Here pairing words either or. Next one, no sooner did I enter the house than it started drizzling. No sooner than. So these are what conjunctions? Yes, correlative conjunctions. Do you understand? See next one. Combine the pairs of sentences using appropriate connectors. See first one. We came late. Full stop. We did not miss the train. So what's the conjunction word we have to use? Though we came late, comma, we did not miss the train. See second one. They checked the packet twice. Then they sealed it. Here conjunction word. They checked the packet twice. And then they sealed it. See third one. Sita saw a snake. At once she ran away. So here, as soon as Sita saw a snake, she ran away. You can write or Sita saw a snake and at once she ran away. Both are correct. If you write with as soon as means no need to write at once. Or you can write and means Sita saw a snake and at once she ran away. See fourth sentence. Robert completed the project. He submitted it to the teacher. Robert completed the project and submitted it to the teacher. And conjunction word. Next one. See fifth sentence. Yusuf was running high temperature. He could not take part in the competition. Here reason. So we have to write conjunction word and so. Yusuf was running high temperature and so he could not take part in the competition. Do you understand? See next one, take the correct linker. First one, dash he was honest, he was punished. Answer, though he was honest, he was punished. Second one, walk carefully, dash you will fall down. Walk carefully, otherwise you will fall down. Third one, my mother called me dash I was playing football. My mother called me while I was playing football. See fourth one, my salary is low dash I find the book interesting. My salary is low, nevertheless I find the book interesting. Nevertheless means but. My salary is low, but I find the work interesting. See last one, the passengers rushed to board the bus dash it arrived. The passengers rushed to board the bus as soon as it arrived. Dear students, I hope you all understood what are connectors, what are conjunctions and their functions. Thank you all.